Now that you've been registered in the Practicum system, it's time to post a project proposal so students can submit a project plan to it. Students will view this project proposal to gain an understanding of what your project entails and what kind of experience they will gain. So please be as accurate and thorough as possible when creating your project proposals, as this will help the students determine if your project is right for them. First, click on Jobs Project Proposals in the main navigation and select Job Postings. As you can see, we have not posted a project proposal yet. Before you begin, be sure to select the School of Public Health Practicum position type. When you select this field, the form should reload and a few new fields will appear. You are now clear to fill out the rest of the form. For project availability, please identify if this project is open to any student who would like to apply, or if you already have a particular student in mind, choose In Progress. If you need to leave the form at any point and finish later, just click the Save and Finish Later button at the bottom of the page. Once the form is completely filled out, just click Submit. After your project is submitted, it will become visible to all students. To make edits to your project proposal, just click the project title. When you're finished making edits, you can just click Submit at the bottom of the page and your edits will be saved. For full details about the practicum process and next steps, please refer to the Preceptor Guidebook.